Book a place for vacation in this town. How long will it stay?
We're just staying there for a week.
How about near at the sea?
I found a place on the internet. A rustic, a little bit of old, but beautiful in kind of way that didn't care about being noticed.
Is it far?
Let's find out. Where are you? Are you lost?
No, this is why I'm staying.
I don't want living here because it feels so awful. I agree.
Me also. Me either. When will he go home? I don't know.
See right now, I need you, I'll meet you somewhere now. You up now, I see you, I get you. Take
Nagsimula sa simple na pasulyap-sulyap, nagpapapansin sa'yo. Umabot sa palitan ng mga mensahe, kilig na kilig ako. Kumusta, kain na, hello, magandang umaga. Ingat ka, pahinga, huwag kang masyadong magpupuyat pa.
I'm not.
You know what I mean?
I used to have a life
Sa kada araw natin na
with the rules, the deadlines, expectations, I left all behind a month ago.
And now,
kung ano
I'm not trying to find something new. I'm just trying to remember who I am.
maybe you're not the only one.
Sana naman ay mapagbigyan ka na at nang mapakinggan ang tibok ng puso kong sa'yo walang nararamdaman ng tunay na kaligayahan. Sana naman mapagbigyan ang tibok ng puso. Wala namang matandaan na nasabi
If you don't hug those dogs, I will leave you.
kay aking nasaktan. Pangakong di mag-iisa, kasama mo hanggang rurok, ipikit ang iyong mga mata. La 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 la, ngayong nandito ka,
I'm also missing her.
hindi na
Something.
sa
I wasn't supposed to say I don't want to leave just yet.
mga labi.
That you made me believe I can change everything.
Nasa ng mga luha, akong maglalayo sa'yo. Hayaan mo na ilipat ka ng aking musika. Palayo sa mundo mong walang alam, kundi pahirapan ka. Umaganda ang paligid kung bawat tao ay puno ng pag-ibig. Napapawi ang bigati, masilayan lang ang iyong ngiti. Okay gandang isipin ang isang mundong puno ng pag-ibig. Parang isang bulaklak na kay ganda na inabot mo sa iyong sinisinta, ang iyong